Okay, good morning everybody.
Morning.
Well, today is the first day of your ride. So all the bikes are ready. So today is the first day to acclimatize. And of course, we are going one of the top three highest motorable road, the Khardungla Pass, which is about 18,300 feet. So you get acclimatized once we climb up from here all the way up to the pass. The road is nice. It's a tarmac road, and of course many of them may be first time in Himalaya, right? So about the riding, about the roads, about the rules, like I mean how they ride. Usually, like you people have in Singapore and other countries, they have like a 6-lane road, 4-lane road, right? Sometimes you overtake from the left side, from right side, right? But in mountain, in Himalayas, you have to, if you want to take overtake from the lorry, from the other car or truck, whatever, from the right side when they give a signal, okay? And be careful, especially the curb. When you go through the curb, you don't have to overtake. You don't know there's a single lane road, so there might be a truck coming in front of you. So if you see, like sometimes that these truck drivers, other people, they just signal you that you can go. They indicate you, and either you see just a straight road, nobody's in front of you, you can take the overtake from the right side. Never go left side, because in mountain area they never see left side, okay? So if you try to cross, suddenly maybe there's a sharp curve and you might, and this area, like it has a very deep gorge, some of the places. So please careful about these things. I hope that maybe by 2 p.m. we are back here. Our lunch is in the same hotel, and after the lunch, so you have a time. So if somebody want to go to the market to purchase some things, so they can go. I'm sure that everybody is carrying a water bottle, right? So as I told you yesterday, that keep drinking water as much as you can.
10 more minutes. We move off. Great. Great ride.
Very good, right? Good morning to all. Today we are going to Pangong Lake, okay? So which is 145 kilometers from here. And in between we're gonna cross one pass which is called Tsomoriri Pass, okay? So before that, after starting from here, the first 40 kilometers is like very busy. It's like a city area. So we'll go a bit slow, okay? From then we gonna go through, there is a diversion, a place called Kharu. From there we're going to take left, and there is a checkpost also. We're going to stop there. We're going to show our permit there. It will take 5-10 minutes. In between you can go for toilet, pee, whatever. Okay, so soon after we'll start again and we'll have a tea break after 10-15 minutes. Okay, then we slowly will go up to Khardungla Pass.
Okay, right after this, we are going towards Hanle, and tonight we are staying at Hanle, and then to Umlingla. The Umlingla is the one of the highest motorable road in the world, which is about 19,050 feet. It's one of the highest motorable road in the world. So definitely we are like. So soon we will show you that. During the trip. So tomorrow we are heading up to the Hanle. So let's see, and we catch you soon again.
Today we are having this taco roll, very nice. The location chose for lunchtime is awesome. Food is also good. Thank you Mountain Voyages. It's a perfect outing.
our room number in a lottery system.
Because the lucky draw is here. So guys, come and pick your rooms.
Hello, good morning. तो आज हम जा रहे हैं थिक्से मोनेस्ट्री.
Okay, so the ride is over. Yeah, the lake gonna be over tomorrow. I'm going to give you a short speech. I would like to thank all of you riders. You made it world's highest motorcycle road. Right?
Yes, sir. Give
Umlingla
yourself a
Pass.
round of applause.
And my team, Mountain Voyages team and K2 Adventure team. But everybody have done it. I appreciate you guys. The way you ride in a height of around, you can say like a 5,800 meter. All are okay in a single piece. I'm so happy. Thanks for that. You have done this adventure nicely and safely. And thanks to all of you from my side.
Okay, good evening everybody, and finally everybody's here. So it's going to be the last night. You can say it's a farewell party, So I really appreciate that, like everybody made nicely. Okay, as Vijay told that some of them little got sick, so it's no matter. But finally everybody made it. The highest motorable road in the world, Umlingla, which is in by feet 19,024 feet. It's not easy. It's like a peak actually. If you see, there's a many peaks around Himalayas. You have to go for climb. It takes like a couple of days, couple of weeks to climb up. So you made it. That's why I really appreciate and thank you all that you joined the Mountain Voyages K2 Adventure. And we would like to, in future, you are most welcome. Maybe we can do something beyond this. As you have done already this 19,000 plus, maybe next time 20,000 plus. As I got the information when we were at Hanle, the owner of the hotel, he told me within 2 years there's a road is opening which is 21,000 feet. So, okay, everybody get ready for that, okay? You must have to come. Already you have done the 19,000 feet. So next time, 21,000 feet. Please enjoy that this is last night of our bonfire. So right after this, people can go with the music also if you would like to. We can, maybe we make you dance also if somebody wants. So we just try to arrange music system and we can go for that. Alright, thank you.
On behalf of everyone here, we would like to say thank you to your team, to your marshals for ensuring our safety and taking care of all of us so that we achieve what we wanted to do, to conquer Umlingla. Thank you very much.
Thank you. And I would like to thank all of you because some of the places, especially of the accommodation, like I saw and Tsomoriri and Pangong, everybody you have done adjustment. So sorry for hot water. Some of the just one place I think. Tsomoriri is the best. The view was good, but there was no water like a hot water. So you have adjust with that. I'm so grateful to you all of you, and thanks very much for your cooperation, especially entire you people. Thanks a lot.
Rider and the anchor rider.
Yeah.
These two guys, very important guys. We must listen from them also.
Thank you guys. Thank you for coming. It was very nice meeting you all. Very nice riding with you guys all. And I don't know how these 7-8 days pass very fast. Should be more days. It was very nice. Thank you for coming. Thank you.
Sweet rider Dixon.
It was a lovely trip with you guys. Hope you also had a lovely trip with us.
Thank you for taking care of us from behind.
Always a cleaning.
And hope to see you again. Thank you.
Okay, now we are going to distribute
This one extra special, no chef also eat, marshal also eat.
Thank you so much to everyone. Please visit again.
Korean chef.
These are Kim Jong-un. Even the name of I was a doctor in a tour, but my work was not too much. Bikes are okay lah. Okay. This is doctor number 2. He said the same word like, okay, thanks all of you. He said that all of the riders were so good. I have no too much work on. So once again he said thanks to all of you.
So like it was the first time for him to get like this much big people and getting this whole, the camera thing, and he has such a wonderful experience. And you guys was just listening his command, but he wants to be there, So you were always like jammed up, the same thing,
Thank you. He's from Delhi. Yeah. The capital boy, huh?
They had such a wonderful experience with you guys, like the way they wanted to shoot you, and you have cooperated in that way, So he's really looking forward when the whole things come with the editing and this all, and he hopes that you all guys will like it. And this is something very great for them, they had such a wonderful experience.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you.
Oldest rider in the team, BK.
Oh, BK!
Go Poswan. Sean. Fatia.
Thank you. I only rode 500 kilometers. But
No, it's nice.
it was worth it.
Muhammad Syahiran.
All right, thank you.
To Fami.
Thank you.
Thank you, my friend.
Shavin.
How was your experience about the trip with the mountain voyages and K2 adventure?
Okay, so overall experience was good. Trip was very well organized. Most importantly, the organizers kept us safe, and we're all back here in one piece. So I would just like to thank everybody in the crew for this great trip.
So far, my experience with the agency, with everyone here, they are very well organized. They supported us. They are very calm. They are very decisive. They know what to do. They know what to look out for. They look out. They look out for us very well. Very well organized. I really like that. Yeah. Thank you so much.
Alright, so it's a big achievement because Umlingla is the highest motorable adventure for us, and it's really a big achievement for us especially from Singapore, and everything was well organized, and especially Mountain Voyages, they kept us safe, and they are well prepared. So if there's any breakdown or what, The mechanics are there, the doctors are there, so it's a good adventure. Yeah.
Very grateful for the team. Even if you are an inexperienced rider, you can still join the expedition, and the team will get you up safely and successfully. Yeah, enjoy them because it's gonna be like the best experience you will ever have, like how I did. Yeah, it's like one of a lifetime. Yeah.
Okay, for this event, I am very glad that the team, Mountain Voyages K2, actually brought us from point A to point B safely. Okay, there are some even though there are some hiccups along the way, but then the thing is the team ensures that that everything is run smoothly and most importantly safely.
Okay, we are at Mountain Voyages, and these guys are professionals, and the way they handle the whole situation is beyond what we have imagined. And if you want to have a lifetime experience, please join this team, and you will see what is called Incredible India. And please check on their website and see, and what you are going to see in KL is something is beyond what you can imagine.
The trip was great. Got to see the Milky Way. The roads were nice. Many mountains, many sand. A lot of off-road. It was great.
Ladakh is absolutely stunning, and I'm glad to be. I'm glad to be with Mountain Voyages, and I personally am looking forward to my next trip with Mountain Voyages again. They will be joining. They'll be participating at our Spin in KL, so do drop by and visit them. Ask questions. They are super friendly, so please join. Thank you.
So I went on the Umlingla trip with Mountain Voyages. They took really good care of me. I think I was admitted to the hospital at one point in time, but it was a no fuss experience. Like my oxygen level dipped, but they sent me to the hospital, took good care of me, gave me oxygen when I needed, gave me the support vehicle, etc., etc. I still managed to ride down. So overall, 10 out of 10. Would recommend.
Hi guys, I'm Fahmi. This is my third time with Mountain Voyages and K2 Adventure. I keep on coming back. It's very addictive. I'm glad that Mountain Voyages are taking care of us really well.